evening everyone! Nandito na kami sa Mitsugushi BGC Taguig. Let's go sa event! See you!
Ayan, pakita ko yung wala siya. Wow! Meiji! Naka-video to.
Ay, naka-video ba?
Very good.
Introducing the latest addition to the Meiji chocolate family, none other than chocolate kuka. So, meron po silang tatlong variants. So, it is rich in taste, has higher cocoa content, comes in 3 options, no? Health-conscious snack time ito, and it is meant for adults kasi mapait yung lasa niya. Tapos, may iba't ibang percent siya. Meron siyang 72%, and then 86%, and 95%. So, yung pinaka 50% sweet and 50% bitter is itong hawak ko na to, yung color green, which is the cacao 72%. Yes. Para po to sa mga beginners, no, exploring the flavors of dark chocolate. So, recommended ko sa inyo is green. Pero kung matagal na kayo at favorite nyo talaga ang dark chocolate, pwede sa inyo ang 95%. Sobrang pait nito. As in, ito yung pinaka, kumbaga, extreme. Kasi meron tong highest concentration of polyphenols, kung tawagin, isa sa contents ng chocolate. Kaya naman, order yours now!
Hi everyone! So, ito na yung activities ko. Nakapag-survey na ako. Nakapag-chocolate sampling ako. I-input ko na. Then next is drink tasting naman kami. Let's go! See you! Alay mo? Ayan, so po. Ito po. Para kapag isang chocolate, kailangan maka-10 pieces na siya. 7
So again, as I said earlier, 10 pieces po ng color green, yung 72% na chocolate kuka, and then pwede na kayong magtimpla ng chocolate drink and add some water, yun, or pwede nyo siyang gawing hot chocolate.
Chocolate drink after drinking.
Regarding naman sa prices, per box po is 169 pesos. Tapos, iba't ibang milligrams siya. May 147 milligrams. Tapos, ito yung dark chocolate nila na high concentration, which is 174 milligrams. So, iba't ibang pieces siya. May 12 pieces, 14 pieces. Tapos, maliliit lang siya na size. Kaya naman, come and visit here sa Mitsugushi BGC. Yan, you may also enjoy a fun and insightful talk. Lalo na po sa May 11 kasi meron silang celebrity si E.A. Guzman and Shaira Diaz. At 5 p.m. po yan. Meron silang sampling Meiji's chocolate drinks and treats.
These are the 5 facts about dark chocolate. A powerful source of antioxidants, improves blood flow, lowers blood pressure, and reduces heart disease risk. It protects your skin from the sun, improves brain function, and helps in weight loss. Wow!
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. I'm Sir Masaki. He's the owner, right?
Base representative.
Meiji representative. And sir, tell me about your these are the new latest products, right? From Meiji. What do you say about your
High cacao provenol, but also benefits. We really educate is to reduce high blood pressure.
oh, high blood pressure? These are all dark chocolates or
Yes.
6% of our chocolate.
Over 70%.
Or 70%. And this one is 72%. So they have different variants, guys. Meron sa red, and black. This is the dark chocolate. And yung percent nila, 95%. And punta na kayo dito sa PGC, Mitsubishi PGC basement, and they have an event, which is there's a free drink tasting until when? Until May 15th. So come join us. Thank you, sir. It was good.
Hi, Mommy! Wow! What can you say about the Meiji chocolate kuka?
It's very nice and very tasty.
Wow!
Healthy also.
Wow! Thank you! Arigato!
What can you say about the chocolate?
Was so tasty and sarap. Especially dark chocolate, bukod sa nakaka-lower siya ng blood pressure, cholesterol, and very, very healthy siya sa ating body. Automatically, it will mami, check nyo.
Ha?
Cacao nibs, vanilla nibs, and cacao shell. Where's the shell? This one, the shell.
Can I look inside there?
After roasting, we have to remove the shell.
And then now we put it here. Right, yeah.
The grind.
How are you? Here? Okay, that's the and then I just need to like mix. Not like just Mommy, look at the inside. Machine.
Oh, nice.
Ako mag-is.
It's very thick.
I'll check.
There you go.
So that is the way how to mix it, no?
Yan.
Thank you so much, Meiji Chocolate Kuka, for inviting me sa High Cocoa Polyphenols for Beauty and Health event.
Thank you so much, Meiji, for the gift. Wow, they gave me the different variants, which is the cacao 70%, and the 95%. Thank you so much.
While I'm doing contents dito sa event, biglang dumagsa yung tao. Dumami yung bumili na customer. So, I think meron akong dalang luck or maybe my parents.
Mommy! Hi! Hello! Thank you so much sa Meiji!
So
namin umattend ng event. So, kain muna tayo. Let's eat. Japanese food.
Yung water.
Yan. So, dito siya. Guys. Tenya.
So, eto na, i-unbox ko na yung mga binigay nila sa akin na 3 variation, which is yung dark chocolate. So, eto yung 95%, no? Yung pinaka-favorite ko, siya talaga yung inuna kong i-open. Ang ganda kasi color black, green, and yellow. Ito naman po yung 72% na may 50% bitter and may pagkamatamis ng 50% also. Wow! O, diba? Para to sa mga beginners naman. At kung kaya nyo naman, medyo mild lang, pwede kayo sa 86% na cacao or chocolate kuka. So, yan ha, 169 per box lang po. Tapos, yan yung mga laman niya. Pakita ko sa inyo ng malapitang version. Tada! Ayan. See, maliit lang siya. Pero, ayan, nakakatanggal siya ng stress. Tapos, marirelax ka pag kumakain ka ng dark chocolate. I'm really fan of dark chocolates. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad, for accompanying me sa event. And of course, a friendly stop to Sir Masaki, yung manager ng Meiji. Maraming salamat. Arigato gozaimasu!